Actually, to heal your knees, guys, now try to walk a little bit with relaxation of your feet. So relax your feet. In step, you shouldn't feel your body like a whatsoever. You just step on your feet. So it means you walk and you know your body quite, how to say, relaxed or something. You don't step on your knees, right? But sometimes it's hard because you already have injury on your knees and it's hard to walk this way because you're afraid to damage this, right? It's normal. Try to bend your knees, guys. Try to stay in such a way, just bend your knees. Can you do it? It's very important to find your knees. It's like somebody grab your knees and move forward. Why it's important for martial arts, for something? Some people want to maybe hit you here, maybe hit you from behind. Very important to, sometimes people touch you here. Instead of the sit a little bit or bend, very friendly, we start to react or in our body or in our head. You need to just bend your knees. Because when the person start to touch you here, right? Just so your knees should bend right away. So it means you react here. Listen, if I massage my muscles, I go from this side up to this side, but not closer to the knee. I just massage muscles. What I do, I just put the stick inside my muscles, inside, like I try to go inside a little bit. And then I start to or rotate or move, but I start to work with muscles, not with skin. It's very important. Sometimes we work with skin. It's warm up, but not muscles. You have to work with muscles. Then I go under, right? And I start to again move my stick up. And I try to work with my muscles again here. And the second ability to know how to rotate your knees, it's a little bit a different concept. It's like you create your knee as a movement this way. Because we can easily to bend our knee forward, from again back, but to side is quite hard because we need to have a relaxation on your hips area, not on the knees. So it means if he would like to kick me this way, right? I can escape like that. I just escape this way.